Vivo X300 series to launch on October 13th. The Vivo X300 series will be slimmer and lighter than its predecessors. It will also feature a compact body despite offering improved camera hardware. The Vivo X300 Pro will be the first Pro variant in the X series to feature a large flat display. The device will come with a 6.78-inch screen designed to maximize visual comfort, 1.5K resolution, possibly the same as on the X200 Pro. The company has already confirmed a few of their camera upgrades. This device will allegedly get a 50MP main camera using Sony's Leica LYT-A28 paired with a 50MP ultrawide and a 200MP periscope telephoto using a 1/1.4 type sensor. The telephoto camera will reportedly get a new coating technology that will alleviate lens flare. The Vivo X300 Pro will have a large 7000 mAh battery. The X300 and X300 Pro will debut as the world's first phones powered by the Dimensity 9500. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.